What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon.com with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Amazon continues to sell off, and I'll go over the reasons why. So price was previously inside of this nice yellow uptrend channel, and it was bouncing off of support, and we came up right to the prior high at the 143, found resistance and sold off. So in an uptrend, you want to see consistent higher highs, higher lows. But once you see the next move up higher barely surpass the previous swing, that shows signs of weakness, and it could lead to a trend reversal or at least a short-term pullback. So that's what we're seeing right now. Most likely, this is just a short-term pullback for higher prices in the future. Let's figure out where it can reverse from. So since we got rejected from the 143, broke the yellow channel. Normally, after a break of channel, you will usually see two pushes in that same direction. So still waiting for that. In the meantime, price is selling off, so we can put a downward channel on this sell-off, something like that. And it's targeting the 127. So that's where the prior strong support is. At the 127, that's what this first red circle is at. The 127, 126 support. So we'll see if price can stay above that level, maintain support, then we could probably see continuation to the upside. Let's say we break right through it and price is not trying to reverse, something like that. Let's say we break right through it and it's trying to go lower. Well, the next target would be the 113. That was this breakout point. You can see this was a prior resistance. Price broke through this level, but it did not come back and test it for support. And it just took off. So a lot of times it'll come back right to the same level to test it for support. So that's what can be occurring right now. So again, it's most likely bearish in the short term. Long term, I would assume and predict price will continue to move up higher. It's not guaranteed. What if we just see a massive sell-off, something like this? Then obviously that was wrong. However, it's not as likely. We had this nice strong uptrend. There's a good chance that price will continue to move up higher after this short-term pullback is over. When is the short-term pullback going to be over? Well, no one knows for sure, but if we see weakness on the chart or signs of weakness by the bears, then that will be a better idea of when the trend can resume higher. So right now, the bears are still showing signs of strength. Once they come to this $126, $127 level, maybe we start seeing signs of weakness. As right now, price isn't there yet. Is it guaranteed we get there? No, it's not, but there's a high likelihood it will. So I think we're going to see more downside for Amazon, looking for the 126, 127 level. And then maybe we get a big bounce off that level. If not, I'll be looking for the 112. Anything lower, then it's not really that great of a sign for Amazon. So you want to stay within these price levels. It can always go lower and reverse, but it's better. It's a better looking and more bullish chart if price can stay above this level first. And then if it does go to the next level, stay above the next level. So that's how I'm looking at Amazon. I think the market wants to stay overextended and continue to crash down lower because it's just going to have a rubber band effect on the way up. So it just how fast we went down is how fast we can go up. So the market is most likely going to stay overextended for maybe the next couple of days, maybe even a week. The SPY looks like it wants to drop lower. The previous stock I looked at, PayPal, looks like it wants to drop lower. So again, a lot of these stocks look like they want to drop lower still. I think the market wants to stay like that until we see a big catalyst occur, something like that. Maybe then we'll see a V bottom reversal. So Amazon bearish 126. If we don't find support there, 113. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that Amazon was far away from the EMA for quite a long time. Eventually, price will pull back to it. We're very close to it. So maybe we can find some support at this mid 120 level. If not, like I said before, I'm looking for that 113 level. So that's all I see on the weekly chart. We had a nice uptrend. Price is pulling back. We broke the uptrend, but that doesn't mean price will reverse right away. You can see that price was in this orange downtrend. You can see there was still two strong pushes towards the downside shortly after. So after a break of this uptrend, we can still see two strong pushes, something like that. Not guaranteed, but at least maybe a couple attempts at it. It might be not that big, might be smaller, but either way, there's a good chance of retesting that prior high at the mid 140 level. So that's all I have for Amazon on the daily and weekly charts, and I'll most likely give you guys an update next week, Saturday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.